Hi my beauties, welcome back. If you don't know me, my name is Pallavi. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be creating this green smoky tropical eye look. If you want to know how I create this look, please keep on watching. And if you like my video, please give a thumbs up, share my videos with your friends. And if you're new to my channel, also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification for more video updates. And yeah, without any further ado, let's jump into the video. As you guys can see, I have already done with my brows. Now to prime my eyelids, I'm going to be using NARS with Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Biscuit. And now I'm applying it with the flat concealer brush by carving out my brows and applying it all over my lid. Now to blend this concealer out, I'm taking a Damn Beauty blender and dabbing it all over my eyelid, that there should be no harsh lines. To set this concealer in place, I'm gonna be using Laura Mercier's loose powder and dabbing it all over my eyelid with the help of a same beauty blender, that there should be no harsh lines or no creases. For my eyes today, I'm gonna be using Morphe 35M palette. Look at the beautiful palette, guys, the beautiful shades. It's amazing. I'm in love with this palette. The first shade, I'm gonna be taking this dark green shade called Green with Envy with the flat shader brush and applying it onto my outer corner. Oh my god, this is so pigmented, you guys. You can see that. Now I'm gonna be taking a soft blending brush to soften the edges. Like there should be no harsh lines because I'm gonna be adding more colors on that, so there would be no uneven tone. For my next shade, I'm gonna be taking Nude Tour and applying it onto the dark green shade to soften the edges.
Do you recall not long ago when you were walking?
For my next shade, I'm gonna be using Express Yourself, which is a light green shade. I mean, you can say that leafy green shade. I'm gonna be applying it onto the top of my dark green shade.
On the sidewalk, innocent, remember all we did.
For my next shade, I'm gonna be using Stroke of Luck, which is the lightest green shade in this palette. As you can see, the neon green shade, which is the right pronunciation for this one. Now I'm gonna be applying it onto the top of my shades and coming it inward to define the eye shape. Now I'm gonna be taking Express Yourself with the same small blending brush and just clean out the edges.
We were scared for each other, but the night was warm.
Now with the help of a flat shader brush, I'm gonna be taking that black shade called Black Magic and applying it just to the outer corner of my V to give that intense look or smoke out look.
We were bold and young, all around the wind blows.
For my next shade, I'm gonna be taking a small flat shader brush and taking the bright goldish shade from this palette called Popstar and applying it onto my inner corners to the mid of my eyelid to create that cut crease look.
We would only hold on to let go. Focus into the sun.
To add on some glitters onto this look, I'm going to be using Hang Feng Liquid Glitters in shade 5. It's a antique gold shade. I'm sorry guys, the camera does not catching the name. So yeah, with the help of a flat brush, small flat brush, I'm gonna be applying it onto the golden shade to give that intense pop out look.
Need someone to lean on. Focus into the sun. All we need.
Now to prime my face, I'm gonna be using Embrolis. It's a cream texture. You can use it as a moisturizing cream or as a primer as well. It's a very nice. I have listened so many rave about this product from many beauty gurus as well. So yeah, that's why I'm applying it onto my face and massaging it really nicely, that it would be penetrate into my skin. And for foundation, I'm gonna be using L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour long wear foundation. Its shade I'm gonna be listing down below in the description box. You can go and check it out. Here I'm taking 2 pumps of that and applying it with the help of my finger onto my face and blending it out with the Damn Beauty blender. This foundation is so good, you guys. I have been using it from very long time. It is a medium to full coverage foundation. Like you can also build it coverage, which is very nice, and it doesn't crease on your skin. It doesn't give you the dark patches, the dry patches. As you guys can see the finish of the foundation as well. For concealer, I'm gonna be using NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade I'm gonna be listing down below. Now I'm gonna be highlight my highlighting points like my under eyes, bridge of my nose, mouth, under my cheekbones, forehead, chin, where I want to highlight my face.
Somebody to lean on. Focus into the sun.
To set my under eyes and my entire face, I'm gonna be using Laura Mercier's loose powder. First I'm gonna be set under my eyes because they crease very fast, and then I'm gonna be set my entire face with the same beauty blender.
Need someone to lean on, like it's
Now to build up my lower lash line, I'm gonna be taking green with Envy with the help of a flat shader brush and just smoke out my outer V, that there should give a smoky effect. For my next shade, I'm gonna be taking Express Yourself and Stroke of Luck, mixing both together and smoke it out to a little bit down to the green of Envy.
into the sun. All we need is somebody to lean on.
Now to add some glitter onto my inner corner, I'm again using Hang Feng liquid glitter in the shade number 6 and applying it onto my inner corners to give that pop out look, which makes my eye look bigger. For eyeliner, today I'm gonna be using Sivana Colors pen eyeliner. I'm not gonna be creating any wing today. I'm just gonna be lining my eyelid and just blend the eyeliner to my outer corner. To tightline my waterline, I'm gonna be using Wet n Wild white kajal pencil and applying it to my lower lash line. For mascara, I'm gonna be using Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara and applying it onto my both the lashes from upper and down. I have put on my eyelashes. Now to bronze up my face, I'm gonna be using Benefit Hoola and applying it onto my cheekbones, my jawline, my nose, my forehead, where I want to give some dimension to my face. For my blush, today I'm gonna be using Sivana Colors blusher in the shade I'm gonna be listing down below. You can go and check it out. Now with the help of a blush brush, I'm dabbing it onto my cheekbones. For highlighter, today I'm gonna be using Anastasia Mercy highlighter and applying it onto the high points of my face, like my cheekbones, nose, cupid's bow, forehead, etc. Sorry guys, I just have missed my lipstick video. The lip shade I have been used in this video is Tarte lip shade. Lip shade color I'm gonna be listing down below. Now I'm gonna be setting my face with the MAC Fix Plus setting spray.
What we do when we get home.
Here's the final look, you guys. If you like it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification for more video updates. And for your convenience, I have listed all the products I have used in this video in the description box down below. You can go and check it out. If you try to recreate this look, if you want to recreate this look, please don't forget to tag me. My socials are also linked down below. You can go and follow me on that as well. And that's it for the video, guys. I will see you with the brand new one. Bye.
Will we walk down the same road? Will you be there by my side?